This one is called Birmingham in the color Milkshake Blonde R. It's about a 4.5-inch bang, and it's about 14 inches all the way around. It features that choppy, shattered curl look. But I want to focus on these bangs because for me, this is where the magic happens. So that 4.5-inch bang, it is dirty cut, meaning that it's not straight across. It just kind of notch cut. It's a very wispy bang, and it's a butterfly cut bang. So it blends into the outside layers and it feathers back and away from the face. Now, I haven't done anything to this. I just gave it a quick shake and kind of pinched at the top there just to bring out the fluffiness of the bang. Now, you could go through and trim them. In my case, I'm about 3.5 inches from hairline to brow. And so I could use a little bit of a trim just to make these a little more comfortable and even possibly wear them straight down. As it is now, I do need to sweep them off to the side a little bit to keep them out of the eyes. This entire style is really light density. It's smooth until you get about halfway down, and then you start to see some of that volume come to life. This is made from the heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress. It's soft, it's buttery feeling, luxurious. There's limited shine. It just looks so natural. And I love this Milkshake Blonde R. It is a nice cool blonde overall. It's highly dynamic because it begins with that medium to light sandy blonde. And then you're going to see some ash and pale ash and even platinum highlighting. All of that is on a medium root that blends beautifully. If you like colors, like in their cafe collection, the Butterbeer Blonde, if you like the Raquel Welch's Shaded Biscuit, you're absolutely going to love Milkshake Blonde. And I also have some comparisons out there between Milkshake, Shaded Biscuit, and the Butterbeer, so you can see what the differences are there. So what are the monofilament features? We have an extended lace front. Now, Belle Tress has come so far with their lace fronts. Compared to the Cafe collection, the City collection features an upgraded lace. It runs temple to temple, it extends back into the ear, and this particular one has a middle part. And that is just the perfect addition for a style like this because it really accents the bangs. Fine knotting process, absolutely seamless and realistic. A fine lace. A nice wide parting space right there at the mouth of that center monofilament. You can tuck this with ease. There's very little permatease on this one. This has a lower profile. In fact, if you like this one and would like something a little bit longer, might I suggest the Belle Tress Liverpool. Liverpool is exactly like this, but just a little bit longer. And the curls are a little more intact on Liverpool. So let's try with glasses. Glasses fit beautifully, neatly and securely between the ear and the ear tab for all of you full-time glasses wearers or occasional reader glasses wearers like me. So let's go ahead and I'll just move Birmingham around so you can get a sense of the density, the layering. You can tell a lot about a wig just by watching it be styled. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at Taz's Wig Closet.